What's up, fam? In today's video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing of this shampoo and conditioner that I got from Amazon, okay? We wanna see what it smells like, what it says it does, and all that good jazz, okay, honey? So stay tuned and keep on watching. So this is the shampoo and conditioner right here, and this is REMILIA is how I wanna pronounce it. And this is their Green Goddess shampoo and conditioner. Cleanse, hydrates for all hair types. And baby, it is 100% vegan. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So as you can see on the side of the box, these are all the ingredients that are in this shampoo. So we've got avocado oil, rosemary oil, green tea extract, coconut oil. So this is looking yummy already. You do have your directions on the other side of the box as well. It tells you how to do. Baby, we should know how to shampoo our hair, but it's always a plus to read instructions because this might be something totally out the box, literally, and we might need to read those instructions. So I'll just give you a quick glance over of that. So this is the conditioner one. Let's go ahead and see what it's looking like. Okay, baby, look at the bottle. So first off, even the bottle seems to be vegan, I guess. I don't know what this is made out of, but this is so cool that it's like a cork top, and I'm like here for that. So let's open her up and see what she smells like. Ooh, this smells good. I didn't even fully open it and I can smell it. Look, y'all, so this is how it comes. It comes sealed like so. And I'm just gonna go ahead and try to lift that up and open it. And this is the top. So you just flick that right there and this will open up right here. And it smells like paradise in a bottle, honey. I'm not even gonna make stuff up. So right off the bat, I'm loving that. It smells really good. Let's see what the consistency is. I really don't wanna waste it, but. So of course, conditioner is always creamy, yummy goodness. Smells so good, oh my gosh. Y'all. So if y'all know what green tea smells like, and I know if you're drinking green tea, it really doesn't have a smell, but green tea in the sense of any kind of perfume or any kind of fragrance or candle scent, green tea, like the extract, it just smells so good. So I'm definitely here for that. And we all know that avocados, rosemary oil, and all this other good stuff is really good for your hair, y'all. So I'm absolutely here for it. Definitely in my healthy era. All right, and here is their shampoo bottle, which looks the same. It's got the nice cork design top. Like I said, absolutely here for it. I'm pretty sure they smell similar, if not the same, because it's a set. Oh my gosh. That's all I can say is, oh my gosh. It smells so good. Y'all, I wish y'all could smell it like I'm squeezing it for you guys. It smells really, really good. I don't think that there's going to be anything wrong with this shampoo or conditioner. And like I said, the fact that it has all those natural ingredients in it is just a win-win in my book. So baby, we will definitely put this to the test, but not in this video. This was pretty much an unboxing to show you guys what the shampoo and conditioner will look like, what ingredients are in there, and what I think about it. And so far, it's getting a 10 out of 10. So stay tuned for the next video where I shampoo and condition my hair. Bye.